everyone, welcome back to another N.E.S.T video. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Jemima and today we're going to be making our own lava lamps. So for those of you who were here in sessions last year, you may have been in when we made our lava lamps in a session. So we're doing the same thing here. We're just going to have another go because it was pretty fun. So you only need a few things for this. So you're going to need a jar, a clear jar that has a lid on it. So this is an old sauce jar, so I'm using that. And you also need some water, some oil, can be any oil, some food colouring, any colour you want, just go for it, and some salt. So you can also have other decorative things, so if you've got some glitter and you want to use some glitter, shove some glitter in. Make it look even cooler. So we're going to start taking the lid off our jar and we're going to fill it 3/4 full, so until it's about there-ish with water. Would you say that looks about 3/4? Might take a little bit out. I think that's a bit better. So we're now going to add a few drops of food colouring. I have some red food colouring here, but just go whatever is available. Might do another one. Don't do loads in it though. So if you have any glitter and you want to add glitter, this would be when you add the glitter. Be careful with the food colouring as well. Make sure that you don't get it everywhere because it might stain some things. Okay, so we may have some glitter on our hands, but we're now going to use some oil. So grab some oil and we're going to fill the glass. Okay, you can see there. And it's kind of separating and it's go at the top. So the water and food colouring at the bottom and then the oil is there at the top. So let's add some salt. Not quite sure how much you need, but I think if we just do a fair amount. Oh, can you see that? So I've made it a bit darker now and I'm just gonna put the lid on there. Oh, got the torch. I'm not sure how well it's showing up on the camera, but I can definitely see it working. I'm not sure whether the light is. So I think you can see it a little bit there. Remember to be careful not to... I think you do need quite a lot of salt for this, and you can always give it a bit of a shake. Make sure the lid is on. Yeah, I'm not sure it's showing up well on camera, but okay, so it didn't show up that well on the camera, I don't think, but it's still pretty fun to have a go at. You don't need much at all. All we used today was a jar, some water, oil, salt and food colouring. And as well as a light, so if you use a phone or if you have a torch, anything like that. So yeah, have a go at these at home. I know you made some really good ones when we made these in person a few months ago. And yeah, show us pictures. Let us know how you get on with them. That's all from me today. I'll see you soon. Bye.